Dear children, let us begin a new day by asking the blessing from the Almighty. Chapter 11, Construction. Today is the third lecture. We will conclude today this chapter, and we need to complete exercise 11.1 also. So far we have constructed three important constructions. One is bisector of an angle, then perpendicular bisector of a line segment, then third one is construction of a 60-degree angle. Construction of 60-degree angle. So construction 4 marks will be there. So draw the construction and write the, it is compulsory to write the steps of the construction. Okay, so you get practice, get more practice to write the steps of the construction. Now exercise 11.1. First question, construct an angle of 90 degree. Construction of an angle 90 degree. I will show you the construction, how to construct the angle of 90 degree. Okay, so construction of 90 degree. So please look at the board and observe it. Then you yourself get more practice on your rough book. First you get more practice on rough book, then you finally construct it in your notebook. So 90 degrees. So what to do is first construct ray BC. Construct a ray BC. Any ray BC with the center C. Draw an arc. Any radius. Taking any radius with the center C. Draw an arc. And it will intersect one point on BC. Again construct with this center with this point, and it will intersect the arc. Again it point another point. Again one more arc with the same that point. Then it will intersect. So now this is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. So now again with the same radius, you need to make two arcs, and that two arcs will be one from 60 degree point and this is 120 degree point. So that will intersect, these two arcs intersect in this point. So through this point another row, that is right here A. So this angle ABC is angle ABC is 90 degree. Angle ABC is 90 degree. Okay, I will repeat once again. 90 degree. Repeat. I will repeat once again. So first of all, construct ray BC. Ray BC with an appropriate radius, an arc, semicircular arc, and it will intersect in one point in BC. From that point and find out the 60 degree point. This is 60 degree point. Again from 60 another intersection point, that is 120. So now this point is 60 degree angle, this point is 120 degree angle, and from these two points, from the center, again two are intersecting at the top. Intersecting at the top. Okay. So through this point, you name it A. So through this point, draw a right? ABC. So this is 90 degree angle. Okay. 90 degree हो गया. Okay. So please write the steps. Please write the steps. Then second one is angle 45 degree. 45 degree कैसे बनाएगा? 45 degree को पहले 90 degree का प्रोसीजर पूरा करना पड़ेगा. 45 degree is half of 90. तो इसलिए पहले 90 degree बना दो. 90 degree BC (60) 120 Okay, 90 degree. Now we need to construct 45 degree. 45 degree means here you can find out one point, here also you can find one. So this is 90 degree और ये जो 90 degree है, we need to construct an angle bisector of 90 degree. So angle bisector कैसे बनाएगा? जो BC में जो पाया इंटरसेक्ट होगा उसमें से एक आर्क कैसे बनाने का, सेम रेडियस से दूसरा आर्क कैसे बनाने का. Okay, and this will go to the this ray will go to the center of the angle ABC and the BD, this point. So the BD is the bisector. So this T angle ABD, AB 45 और ये BBC AB 45. Okay, 45. Then construct an angle of the following machine 30 degree. So 30 degree कैसे बनाएगा? 30 डिग्री ये 45 हो गया, अभी 90 डिग्री हो गया, and 45 डिग्री हो गया. Now third one is 30 डिग्री. 30 डिग्री कैसे बनाएगा? Again BC, ray BC, ray BC. First of all, to construct 60 degree angle. 60 degree angle means any radius and arc of the circle with the same radius again arc. So now this is 60 degree. 60 degree. So you make a dotted line there. 60 degree. Dotted line there. Okay. So this is 60 degree angle. So 30 degree means 90 bisector of 60 degree. So from this point any radius. And from this point any radius. These two are intersecting point ABC or this will be D. So construct ray BD. So angle DBC ये आपका 30 डिग्री हो गया, ये भी आपका 30 डिग्री हो गया. ठीक है, 30 डिग्री. ठीक है. So 30 degree angles. Then 22 and a half. 22 and a half. This is 30. So you can make half of this 30. Half. That is 15. So you can make dotted line there. So this is 15. Then again 15 and 30. In between 15 and 30, 7 and a half. So this line will be 22 and a half. 22 and a half. Okay. Then 15 already, that is half of 30. Okay. Then again fourth and fifth one you need to construct 75, 105 and 135. That's your homework. So please complete it. Exercise 11.1, 2, 3, 4. अभी 3 तक सर ने किया है, तो 4 भी आपको करना है. So please do all the construction today itself. Take care.